Okay. Take out this one too. I don't have my drill today, but it's not that tight, so it's like. But yeah, oh yeah, you have to take out this plastic out of there. You could put this back. You don't really need it. Lock it in place. Take this. Try not to lose your screw. You just put it over there. Now this is the other part. So everything is basically like the screws are gone. So all you have to do right now is to pick it open. So try to find the leverage. I usually go from the side. I go with that. There's like rubber bushings. I don't know what you call them on this side. Try not to lose that. They come out as you go. Don't put too hard on this side. And try not to put pressure on the glass, but you could just put leverage on this. Okay. Yeah, that literally just fell on me, bro. Now you have the screw. You hold it, put the trunk up. You need a flat head for this one. I forgot. So back this clip, I kind of unclipped it. That's, yeah, you don't want to put too much pressure on it, guys, but this is fine. So yeah, this is where the rubber bushings go. There's a lot of them. So 150, this one fell out. Yeah, that one fell out too. Yeah, look, there's one over here. They always fall out. They never stay in place. So you gotta always watch out for that. So this is how they go. That one is there. Also, you also gotta watch out for your clips. Make sure they are popped out. So check those. That's good. And then those, yeah, there's this one over here. I'm gonna put that in place. I lost a lot from before. Yeah, you know, you don't want to scratch up the car, so if you have nothing to put it on, just put it over here. I'm pretty sure I have some more rubber bushings from last time that I saved up. I think that's one of them. No, there's a cut on link there. I don't know where this one came from. Maybe it was from the other side, because this they all came with it. Yeah, I guess that's fine. I'm pretty sure it's from probably over here, but it doesn't really matter. But I mean, I don't really need to save it, but it's fine. Just gonna keep it there and throw it away later, because I'm not taking this out. Because I already routed my wire. I went down here and I went on the sides over there to the main screen. So oh yeah, like I said, I don't have my impact drill, so I'm gonna use the drill today. Never done that, but I don't know what size I need. I need oh, I kind of need my drill right now, but I don't have it because I don't have the sockets too. Do I have it on the other one? Nope. Yeah, no. So guess we're gonna have to go hand. It's fine. So grab this. Push is a 10mm. So grab a 10. always loose. It's not that tight. And do not tie them too. You do not need to tie them. Hopefully they didn't get on camera. So yeah, I have two cameras today. One is the stock, no modification. This is it, and this is the modification. This one apparently is actually clearer. Like, it's actually so clear, like you can see night and day on it. So for you have to be careful. There's that one screw. I always forget about it. You need a so I need to sort out my tools. I'm pretty sure it's a 10. Is it a 10? Should be a 12 then. We don't need this, so I'm gonna get this out the way. Actually, I kind of needed to go up then if I'm gonna be doing that. I just push this up. Yeah, it is a 10. Sorry guys. I thought it was a 12 because I don't remember really taking out the smallest one. You just need to loosen them up. Some of them will be tight. Keep in mind, I've done this before. That camera just gave it on me, and again, I didn't really like it because I couldn't get the line out. I hate this type of lines because like they're motion sensor lines, and it never works well. But the screen that I installed, the CarPlay, comes with a line, and it's so much better. Like, it actually follows the steering wheel, but the one that came with the camera, it never does. So, and I couldn't get rid of it, but it's fine. I'm going to replace it anyways. So I didn't like it because I went to a car wash and washed the car, and all of a sudden it stopped working. But that was because of my fault, because I had to cut it to modify it. Let's not lose that. Let's scratch it up. I forgot to. So this is the main wire. All this, I know it's hanging, but I actually hooked it. I just didn't hook it right because I knew I was coming back to this. So that's the main one. You always want to tape it so it doesn't come out. That's the ground, and this is the main connection wire. I'm just gonna disconnect that. Just like unscrew. You don't want to drag it on and put tension on the wire. Just drag this out. What else? Just gonna put this over here for now. Yeah, this was the old camera. This is the old stuff. I don't know what to do with it. I just left it there. I'll probably, I don't know, maybe toss it out or give it to somebody that needs it. That disconnects. Yeah, this was me trying to wire. So this is the main wire. Like I said, I already wired it, but I wish I actually recorded it. But you go down there, go on the side panel. I'll show you. So go down here. You're gonna come out from this side. This comes out. Come out from this side. Go over there. And then you route it over here, there, and then come out from the glove box. You go from the glove box. It's not long enough, but they're always long enough. So get rid of all this tape. Like you see, this was just one row tape. I think I was in a rush. Not even just that, I just didn't really bother because I knew I was coming back to it. So you disconnect that. This is the trunk wire. Disconnect that. This is the water came on it, so it's no longer useful. But that's it. I want to test out the quality of this camera, then compare it to this one. This is actually the clear one. This is 1080p, and then this is the stock. So we're gonna compare both of them just to see. I don't really have to put it in all the way, but I guess I could do that. So you feed the wire over here. it goes in this way. Wait, is this different compared to this one? Where is this? Oh no, they're the same. I thought this camera was on this side, but no, they're the same. So you should just put it there, and then this goes over here, and then this wire, you use this one, but I'm gonna use the old one just cause why not? I already have it like ripped off, so why not just use that? You do not need to ground it. I tried grounding it, there's really no difference, guys. You do not need to ground it. So we're gonna go start the car and let's see the quality. Oh, it's hot. Damn. So the thing is, some of the cameras work different. So the camera's always different. So what you do, you go to settings, reverse, sorry, just connected to my phone, but you go back to home. So you go back to home, reverse. So there's multiple options. I'm gonna try the CVBS because that was the one I was on. Let's see if it works. No, it does not work. So that's how to tell you there's multiple channels. That didn't work too. That doesn't work. Oh wow, none of them is working. That doesn't work. Yeah. Oh, that is actually clean. So the camera is rated 720p. It has no lines, which is not bad, but it's actually clear. It's pretty clear. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually clearer. Oh yeah, my parking brake is on, so guys, don't forget that. Otherwise, I kind of want to see, like, so I'm gonna plug in the trunk thing so I could cover the trunk. So in order to connect that, I already hooked the trunk cable. Easy, pull it out, take out the clip, put this out. Also guys, keep in mind I didn't even guard it and it worked. So take out this part. I was holding it. So this is the clear one. This one we're gonna have to modify it, mostly just because, look, this is the way, if it should fit over here, my guess, but I'm still gonna have to modify it, but we'll see. I'm gonna use the old bracket. So this is how we connect this. Some cameras are like this, they have like this tiny cable to make it easy, which I actually appreciate. And then you have this one, and then you have this guy. So we're just gonna stick it out, not that much, just, you know, just pretend like it's mounted. I just want to see the quality wise. Like, I'm not really like mounting it right now. I just want to see quality wise, and then we go from there. And again, you do not have to ground. I should probably tape up that wire though, but right now we're just testing. So I'm gonna use one of these guys to just tape it out. I just don't want to interfere or doing anything because it actually sticks out. So we're just gonna pretend like it's over here. We're not gonna close the trunk because this time I have nothing to open it. There's no button. This is just a custom camera. I don't know how it was made. I don't know how to make it stay. Okay, so clean your hands. I'm gonna go in reverse. That obviously I wasn't expecting that to work, but we'll do 1080p 25. Ooh, it does have the line, but this camera has the option to get rid of it. That is actually pretty clear. 30 here, so it is 25 hertz. Guys, that is pretty clear. Like, that is clear. That is not that huge of a difference, but hey, if you wanna, yeah, that's not that bad. Wait, let's keep it right there. To be fair, like, if I'm being honest, compared to the other camera, it's not that different. Okay, but we're gonna try to see if we can mount it. If not, we'll go back to the camera. I just wanted to see quality wise. It's actually not that bad. The stock one is 720 25 hertz. This one is 1080p 25 hertz. Like, you could obviously tell this is more clearer than the other one. The other one is more yellowish, but this one is also more clear. But I don't know about 1080p though, but I think it is 1080p. It looks like it. So we don't need that anymore. We just have to decide now. So honestly, okay, let's see if we could make it work. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm still recording. It froze up though. It keeps disconnecting. Oh, I think it's because my phone connected to the CarPlay. Yeah, you see, it disconnected. Oh, oh, I didn't take out my keys. Yeah, also, yeah, the CarPlay stays on even though you don't take quick. I like it. I don't mind it. It's not. Oh my god, don't tell me I locked my keys. So it should connect now. So we're gonna see if we could mount it on this bracket without doing too much. If not, we'll just stick to the old one because it's actually not that bad. As long as it didn't have the lines, the stupid lines, then we're good. The other one has the lines, but hey, we have an option to get rid of it. Yellow, white, one of them has the wire connection and we could just get rid of it. And this, you could tilt your angles, so it's actually better in terms of betterness. I don't even know if that's a word, but hey. So I wanted to go around there, and I'm gonna drummer it. So this is the part I was talking about. I feel like a drummer would be better. Save me so much time. Let's just get straight into it. And this is soft plastic, so it should not be hard. So I could usually just line it up and just go from there. Sorry guys. Oh yeah guys, I know I haven't uploaded mini bike in a while, mostly because I got a car, but I'm gonna be modding this, cleaning up the garage. I'm gonna mod this one. I'm still looking for an engine for this frame. This is actually for a client. I gotta mod this bike because it's stock, so I gotta mod that. I sold my other modded bike. It was kind of sad, but it's okay. That's what I love. You build it, you build another one. So I kind of wanted to go this way. You see how soft it is? Like no hassle, just straight. Don't clean it up after. Right now, I just cut it. Don't get too close to that metal stuff. Like I said, if there's no way to mount it, we're gonna just do the stock one and save us the trouble. But I would really love the clear one, because you know, not a lot of cars has that. So why not go big? Go big or go home. I'm kidding. We'll try though. That's what I'm trying to do. Where did I keep it? Wait, what? Where did I keep the camera? Is it over there? There's no way you guys just witnessed this. One thing about me is it's literally hanging there. One thing about me is woo! Ooh, that could fit. Wait, which way does it go though? Oh yeah, this way, right? Yeah, this way. Okay. So I need to get rid of this, but I don't want to push it too in though. I just want it to sit at the same level the stock one was sitting. So the stock one was this way. Okay. Just needs to touch this bum. Also, I could actually take out this camera, but there wouldn't be no way to mount it then. You could take out the camera and mount it on the box. Wait, let me try. The thing I'm worried about is how am I gonna stick it, you know? That's just the only thing, is how am I gonna make it stick? Because I'm taking off most of the layers. How am I gonna make it stick? So wait, I'm gonna try something, because I just thought about this right now. Let's not lose that. Just keep it right there. So this is the old camera. I wanna see if I could pop that out. That is it. I think that's where the water got to it. If I could pop this out, get to the camera. No, I don't. Is that what to? Is that like screwaways? Yeah. Guys, I'm not destroying it. It was already broken. I wish I showed you before I did it. I don't want you thinking I'm breaking stuff. Okay, yes. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Moment of truth. If this camera fits, we gold it. Where is it? Where? 2 times now. Let's not lose that screw. Just I guess gotta come back to this. Another thing also is I could just drill a hole right there and mount it, but no, I wanna drill a hole in my car. Like, that's also one more thing you guys could do and get the screw for this and tighten it. This could probably save you so much time, but no, I'm not drilling my car. No, I'm not doing that. I was thinking about it, but I'd rather not. Okay, yeah, so this is what I was saying. So if this could fit right in there without me doing too much, I'm just scared I'm gonna lose the screws. Guess one sec. Something just dropped. Are you serious? Like, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh my goodness. Probably bounced off. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Close right here. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say, guys. Those are tiny screws, you don't want to lose them. Oh, I think this camera flying it. This camera might not be. Ooh, hold on. Wait, hold on. Will the cover fit though? I don't really mind the cover not fitting. I could just, yes, it should fit. It should fit. I just have to drill this hole and push it in. As long as I could force it in, oh my god, there's no way that should fit. There's no way that should fit. What? I'm gonna pull my trashes here. I don't wanna go back and forth with the thing. There's no way that should fit. So this part just comes right off. No, are you serious? Are you serious, bro? No way, it should fit. Yes, it does fit. Yes, thank you. And then where's the back? Okay, just have to. I might have to open up that a little bit. Kinda don't want to throw this cable away. Just gonna leave it. I just open up just a tiny bit, guys. I feel like I could just use my hand to pull it off. As long as this cable fits, we're good. Yes, we're good. Yes, we are good. If I could fuss it in there, make it stay. The thing is though, okay, I'm guessing the way it's positioned, we're gonna have to tweak it out a little bit, cause like we don't know the way this camera is positioned. So we might have to turn it if we have to. So I'm guessing. So it's, guys, so it's tilted like this. Yeah, let me just make sure. So it's tilted like this. So it should go like this. So this. So like that. And then this goes in. No way that should fit. There's no way. There's it's not like seated properly. But let me see. Might have to add like a lick of paper on it. But if I do that, there's no way that should fit. There's no way that actually fit. So guys, grab one of these paper. We used to do this back home. If something is too loose, fill in the gap. It's gonna make it. And the thing is, this camera is already waterproof itself. So put it right there. Pass on the wire. That might not be enough because the gap is actually kinda. I just want to know where it's putting, what is resting on it. We might have to put a little more. I think I have to cut up a little more. Yeah, I'm gonna cut up more. So yeah, back home we just do this. Fold it up. Fold it up. Fold it up. Okay, cut out the rest. Just like a filament. I hope I'm still recording. Okay, yes. Sorry guys. It's just like a filament. Gonna break it over there. Actually, no, let's just try 2 gap. Just in case. If we don't need that, then I'll adjust from there. So let's position it. I just don't want it crooked. That's all I want. But if it is, then we're gonna have to tweak it up a little bit. I don't know which it is. So weird. I think this is it. Okay, that's it. Put this filament just over there. Yeah, it's kind of too much. Right? Put on the side. Just need something to let it pull more. I don't know what to really call it. Disgusting. Chop my banana. Oh, there. Yeah, you see that? It's tight now. The only thing though is water could get in there. Because, you know, it's not sealed. But I have a solution for that. We're gonna drill a tiny hole just so the water could leak out if it has to. Put it where they can't really see. But as of now, I'm gonna put this back. Make sure if I'm lined up, then, you know, drill the hole. Probably gonna have to end up taking this out, but because like, even though it's sealed, or like, you know, it's not, water could stay. Like if I spray water underneath the car, like underneath the trunk, water could get in. It's not sealed. I mean, if I had a glue gun, but I don't want to put glue gun and then I have to take it out just because it's not. So now the thing is, do I go with the new thing, because it could technically fit in the same spot, or do I go with the old one? I feel like this is way too loud. I kind of want the new body though, just so water don't get on this side, because water could get in there and just run the whole button. But what should I do? I'm gonna go with the new one. But then how would I get out this wire? That's the thing I hate about this, because there's no way to get the wire out. You have to drill a hole to get it out. That was why I drilled the hole in the first place. So it's like you're gonna have to end up cutting the camera anyway, and I don't really want to cut it, just in case I want to use it for someone else. Because even though I end up taking it, I'm gonna have to cut out this wire. I don't want to cut it and then have to. Okay, I'm just gonna use the other one. Let me just save time. Oh yeah, but I kind of do need to do that because I need something to hold this in place. Oh, are you serious? Only if I knew this was gonna fit in the first place. Alright guys, we're gonna end up cutting it. It's fine, I'll just wire it back. Just too much. Cause I don't want the camera coming off. I'll just wire it back. See, reusable. Let's not put it to waste. So yeah, as I was saying, you can't just, like, it's too big. I don't know why they had to do that. Where do I want to cut it though? I feel like I should cut it like over here in the middle, because it does not interrupt any other stuff. Where's my plier? Disgusting. Chop my banana. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I had to. Just go right there. Just do good. See, and then this one will fit. So stupid. What kind of, like, who decided to do this? So we're just testing it right now to see if it's straight. That's what we're doing. Testing it to see if it's straight, then drill the hole for the what do you call it? For the water. Actually, I don't really need to. I forgot this rubber seal, but at the same time, I mean, even though I drill the hole, it's gonna just go in the rubber, and yeah, I don't think I need to drill the hole. I'm just gonna trust water won't get to it, because the camera itself is waterproof, so even if the water get in there, it's not gonna ruin it because the camera is waterproof. But I'm just talking about, like, oh yeah, I think we're good. Like, I think we're good. I genuinely think we're good. I'll let you guys know. I'll give you guys updated what I guess to it. So let's put it like that. We're just testing it, guys. Nothing too serious, just testing it. Then just testing it, making sure it's straight, cause it might not be straight. I'm gonna plug this wire in just in case I have to open the trunk. But the one thing about the Audi Q5, the trunk, so heavy. Like, sometimes, like, you tell people to, oh, go do this, it's like they can't even lift it, and I don't blame them. It's fine though. I still love the car. Trust me, I love it. Okay. It's probably gonna disconnect my phone, but it's fine. Gonna put this down, testing it, just trying to make sure the camera is not crooked. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? That is what I was trying to avoid. So it's gonna be a lot of tweaking and tuning, so it's best it's actually not that clear. I'm gonna be so pissed if I end up going to that one and have to wire back. It is clear, but this rubber part is probably from the camera getting blocked. I knew that was gonna happen. Like, I knew it. So what is that? Maybe I could actually also fix that. So. I feel like I have to take out the whole thing. Yeah, let me just take out the whole thing. And just do it with my hands. Okay, we'll put the screw here. Disconnect this. Bring out that camera. This is what I was trying to avoid, because you don't know the way the camera goes, so you're over here just messing with yourself. So this is straight. Need something leveled. You shouldn't be like that. So we're gonna play with it and tilt it until it's centered. Like, I knew that was gonna happen because I literally have no sense of direction the way that goes. So I'm not really too upset about it, because we all knew. So this is the camera itself. It's like wide. So I need to get, yeah, I think this is straight. This way is straight. Oh, are you serious? That screw came off. It was right here. This is straight. It is straight. Yeah, it's not that straight. I just need to tilt it up a little bit. So this has to go this way a little bit. Yeah, it's not straight. Bro, I have nothing to like compare it to. That is straight. Okay, I'm gonna compare it with this. So yeah, that is straight. That is straight. Just to check. I think that's right. sure. Guys, you think that's straight? I think that's straight. Let's not lose the other screw too. What I feel like I moved it up a little bit. I think that's straight. Slowly put this in, cause every little move it moves. Yeah, that moved a little bit. Okay, you know what? I think I know what to do. I'm gonna put this filler. Put this filler. Okay. Put it in there. And now twist it with the wires. I really can't move it. It's like straight, just a little bit tilting on the left side, towards the left. My neck. I wish there's a way to just like super glue it, but I don't want to super glue it. I think that's it. Just like put in the filler. You get on my way right now. Just stay over there. But one little move moves it. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and then yes, and I'm still straight. This is it, guys. This is it. I can leave it up a little bit. Leave it up. Am I doing it wrong?